Is your internet too slow, or do you struggle with dead zones in your home? It's time for an upgrade. But first, let's break it down. What's the difference between a modem, router, and mesh system? A modem brings the internet from your provider into your home. A router takes that connection and distributes it to all your devices, phones, tablets, laptops, you name it. But if you want fast, reliable Wi-Fi in every corner of your home, that's where a mesh system comes in. It provides seamless coverage throughout, eliminating those annoying dead spots in hard-to-reach areas like upstairs bedrooms, basements, or even outside. Whether you're streaming, gaming, or working from home, a mesh system keeps you connected. Ready to take your internet to the next level? We've got exclusive deals on top internet devices right now. Click the link in the description to claim your limited time voucher codes and boost your internet today.